recycling. We hear the term over and over, but I think we don't really know how important it is or what happens if we don't recycle. So let's talk about the importance of it. Why recycling is important. The average person generates over 4 pounds of trash every day and about 1.5 tons of solid waste per year. Over 75% of waste is recyclable, but we only recycle about 30% of it. We make too much garbage and running out of space to throw out all that garbage. These all recyclable waste goes to landfills and landfills are filling up. So, as landfills keep filling up, people will have to find more places for all that trash. So, what can you do to help? Did you hear about 3 R's? Yes, the key is 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. We have a chance to reduce, reuse, and recycle. In most people's everyday life, this concept could simply mean if you don't need it, don't buy it. Do you really need 28 pack of 16-ounce water bottles for your home? Or can you just get the same brand, same water in 5 gallons container? It will probably take up less space in your fridge anyway, and it is cheaper as well. And reuse is every time we have an item that we are going to throw away, we should first look at it and say, what could this still be used for?
There are so many unique ideas about the things we just see as a trash. They might turn into an amazing decoration, a tool, or a design. The internet has a lot of sources which you can do yourself just by using those unnecessary stuff.
And recycle is the last component of 3R. Recycling refers to returning no longer usable products in the industry in the form of base materials to be used to make new products. Collect bottles and cans to be melted down and made it into new bottles and cans. There are a lot of myths about recycling. Does recycling actually work? Do they just go in the garbage anyway? It uses more energy than it is worth. There is a myth that it takes more energy to recycle glass, but studies still didn't proven it. And recycling does work. It is worth it and you can make money doing it. So what still prevents us from doing it? The reason it's so confusing people on what to do is there are so many different systems throughout the country. Every community, state, city does something different. There is no standardization, and that makes it really confusing to people. They feel like they can't do everything at once, so they won't do anything at all. Just do one little thing. Today, find one thing to recycle. There is a lot we can do if we just get a little more creative and encourage other people. There is a great Margaret Mead quote: "Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has." Yes, it is so important setting an example. I recycle. What about you?